Yes, today we are going to look at Microsoft Academic. Microsoft Academic. If you have been following us, you understand that we have treated Google Scholar, ERIC, Semantic Scholar. But today we are going to look at Microsoft Academic. We know why we are taking them one by one. Each of these search engines have their peculiarities. For instance, this Microsoft understands the meaning of words anytime you are searching it. It does not just match keywords to content. For example, when you type in Microsoft, it knows what you mean. It knows that you mean the institution and shows you publication authored by researchers affiliated with Microsoft. So that's what it does. That's the peculiarity. And you see still others as we go down. So each one we take you to, we know why we're taking you through. For instance, if you look at this Microsoft Academic, you understand that we have here 251 million publications. Under authorship, you have 262 million authors in this database. You have 717,000 topics, 4,527 conferences, 49,007 journals, 26,905 institutions. So it has summarized the content here for you to see. Now you are looking for something, but you have seen yourself in a search engine or a database that contains more than 200 million documents or literature. How do you go about it? Now, Microsoft has partitioned it in a way that you can easily maneuver and get to where you are going. For you to come to this Microsoft web page, you need to type or Google academic.microsoft.com. If you want to get to this page directly, you just put /home, and that will be academic.microsoft.com/home. It will definitely bring you to this web page. And now, looking at it, you can search based on top authors in material science. They are here. So you can search based on the authors. You can also search literature based on institutions. Here they have top institutions in material sciences. You see them here, they are here. Then you can also search top journals in material sciences. These ones are journals. These ones are journals, and these are conferences. So you can search based on journals. You can also search based on conferences. They are all here. You can see them here, they are highlighted. Just click on any of them. It will take you to where you want to go. Having said so, what then can we search so that we'll go inside and see what we can do? You can also sign in or sign up. Supposing you don't have an account with them, you can sign in. And you use it when you want to create library. You can use it to create library in this website. Then let us search. Remember, we normally use what is as computer prefers questioning so that it can provide you the answer. Let's say, what is e-learning? Because Microsoft is all about a computer. We say, what is e-learning? With the question mark, you can put PDF to also filter all the documents into PDF format, so that what computer will give you is only documents that are in PDF. But this website or this web page or search engine has already filtered a lot of literature to PDF documents. So we can now search. This depends on your network. Now, in 7 point some fraction seconds, it has given us these results, and it's over 1 million results that we have here. But all of them, you may not require all of them. Like this one is 216, this one is 215, this one is 215. And your journal or what you are writing, you may require the latest information. What do you do about it? You can come here, you say, this is what they have told you, filtered by. Now you can filter by one time. So when you come here, all the information that we said, the result the computer has given you, ranges between 1962 and 2021. You may not need all of them. What do? You sort them by date. Just click here, look at what you have, you draw this down, and you have all this. If you are looking for information 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, click any of them, it will take you to those, and it will only give you those results. To give you results that are within that year. You can also sort by, you come here, look at it, sort by relevance. When you click here, you say saliency. You can sort by saliency. Those literature that are not known, you can sort them here. You can also sort by newest first. That is, you arrange it 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018 in that order, newest order. It can arrange it in terms of oldest first. Depends on what you are searching for. It depends on what you are searching for. Then you can also search by most established citations. Those ones that are mostly cited, you can also sort them that way. Now, having said so, we can still come here, look at it. You can search topics based on areas. Here is computer science, here is artificial science. They have already formatted and graphed it in a way that you can see the amount of literature they have. Here, what we have is computer science has the highest literature here. So, but that is not what we mean. If you click on it, it will give you information in that particular area. Supposing that we want to search something, we can just click on this. It will give us what is e-learning that is contained only or that is related with computer science alone. Artificial science, artificial intelligence, machine language in the same order. If you want that of a computer version or unsupervised learning, you can just click here and it will give you that literature. Now, having said so, we move to publication types. What are you searching for? Are you searching for e-learning in journal publications or conferences? They are here. This one is journal publication. You just click on it. It will give you only literature that are contained in journal publications. The same thing to conference publications, repository publication, books. Suppose that you are looking for books that contain e-learning, books that are written on e-learning. Just click here and it will take you to that place. It will just give you literature that is on books alone. You can see them, authors, patents, and even book chapters. You might be wondering, these days you can create a book, write what it is, and authors will contribute to that. And then it will be published. And here you get something like that, book chapters. So as we do it in hard copy, we also do it in soft copies now. Then you can sort by top authors. The authors that are well known in e-learning, they are all here. Authors that are well known in e-learning, they are all here. So you can search them by their names. Same thing to top journals. Those journals that are, remember our point here is on e-learning. So we say, what is e-learning? So everything result is given us here is all about e-learning. And if you look at the heading of this thing, you say human level control through deep reinforcement learning. So there is e-learning there. Everything you are talking is talking about what is e-learning. Now, same thing to institutions. You can search based on institutions. This is Google, this is Microsoft, this is Stanford University, this is University of California, and rest of them. Based on universities, you can search on Microsoft Academy. The same thing to top conferences, you can search them here. You can as well search them here. So you can as well search them here. So whatever you want, you can as well search them here. So now you see descriptors, human intelligence, artificial intelligence, they are all here. We have methods and trends, pathology, education, diagnosis, they're all here. You can search them in that direction. So that's what we mean. That's what we mean. Now, if you want to download, you can come here and download this material. You can also download from here if you want. If it is a full abstract that you need, you can also from here get the full abstract. Apart from that, you can download the paper here. You can share if you want to share. Supposing you have this, you are interested in this, and you want to share directly. You just come here, click share, and you take you whether you want to share in different platforms, whether Facebook or Gmail or Yahoo, or whatever you share. You can also have publications. If you have library here, you have created library, you can add it to your library. So that is what we are saying. If you want to see how this work is cited, you can click here, and that will show you how the work is cited, and you can copy it. You can also copy the reference paper, you can copy it here. So supposing you want to copy, you just click here and you will copy. So these are the things you can see, and these are the way you can manipulate or maneuver to filter your literature. So if we go back, there's something I also, if you also come here, that is what you can, these are the things you can get in this academic Microsoft. If you come here, you can also see conferences, upcoming conferences. So you can also look at this one, the events that are coming, upcoming conferences. This one is Jerusalem, Israel. This one is Nicosia, Cyprus, Lucca, Italy, Boston, MA, USA. These are where, and you have their dates. You have the conferences that are coming up. You just get them and go to where you want to go. So for those who may be asking, where can I get conference, international conferences that are coming up? I have been receiving such thing. I need an international conference coming up. You can come here to look for those international conferences. They are all here. If it is by April, May, you see them here. They are all. These ones are March, virtual conference, you can get it here. So some are in USA, some are in Italy. So you can get them here. So we decided just to bring this to your doorstep so that anytime, anything you want to search, you will not say you don't know. We have exposed you to different search engines like Microsoft. If you have been following up, if you have not, go and look for it in that our YouTube, you will get them there. So that you see how each search engine or database are partitioned and how you can maneuver or navigate the search engines to get your information as fast as possible. To filter your information, the main thing here is to filter your information. They have partitioned it in a way that if you are looking for literature in a particular area, you go to that place. If it is on institution, you go. If it is on different fields of human endeavor or disciplines, you also go there. Instead of just wavering or deviating or missing your road in the open space. So these search engines have partitioned them in a way that you can understand them, and we are bringing them close to you for your own understanding. We wish you good luck. You can drop your question in our YouTube through our email. We will get you to respond to it. We are learning and we are trying to share learning. Knowledge is unbegotten. Knowledge unshared is unbegotten. Thank you and good luck.